Hello friend, welcome to Imprint solution. In this video we are going to customize umbrella using DTF sticker. This is umbrella and I'm going to use DTF sticker and customize this umbrella. So first of all we have to take a design. So I have already taken. So let me show you this design I'm going to transfer on this umbrella, and I'll show complete process. So first we have to print this sticker, and before print we have to just make a T file, and then we have to add it in a printing software. Here I have added this file in a printing software. If you want to know process how to make a T file, then how to add in a printing software, then you can watch another video I have already created. Link you can find in a description. Just I'm going to show you here a print. This is our DTF printer, 4-head DTF printer. If you want to buy, then you can contact us. We have a 2-head DTF printer, 24-inch. You can see the width of printing area. Also we have a single head DTF printer, so you can contact us for any DTF printer. There you can see a printing is already started. So in this printer, Epson head is used for a better quality. So all we have a printer, we are using them in Epson head, so it can give a proper quality to you. So if you want to buy any DTF printer, you can contact us. Our team will help you to start your business. So this is a print we are going to transfer on an umbrella. So print is over now. After that you can see the process. There will be one process here. You can see powder, applying powder on that print. After that curing, and there will be a ready sticker which you can directly transfer on any garment. So like that ready transfer DTF sticker. So this sticker we can transfer on any fabric. Here I'm going to transfer this sticker on umbrella, and I'm going to customize umbrella. First of all just you have to position properly where you want to transfer the sticker. Here we are going to transfer here. So after that position, you can use a Teflon sheet. It will be good for secure your print. So I'm going to use a Teflon sheet, and then here you can see transferring. After that just you have to remove paper. So this is your print is ready. So it is look nice. You can see nice looking here. So like that you can transfer all sticker. So I'm going to transfer another one here. You can see process. Just you have to place sticker where you want to transfer, then use a heat press machine, and your umbrella is ready now. Here you can see it is quite easy. You can easily transfer, and you can make a customized umbrella like that. Here you can see it is looking very nice. You can make such a type of umbrella. Many company give such a type of umbrella as a gift to employee. You can customize, and you can sell to local customer. So you can start your customized umbrella business. If you want any help from us, we can help you. If you want to just buy sticker also, we can provide. You can contact us. Link I have given in a description. Also contact detail I have given in a description. You can contact us for any help. If you want to buy a printer, you can contact us. If you want sticker, then also you can contact us. So this is customized umbrella. So you can make such a type of umbrella and you can start your business looking very nice. So here I'm going to wind up this video. I hope you like. Thank you.